from 20,000 a month to 400,000 a month, 7 months. That's not even the craziest thing. The craziest thing is the ad spend. You might be thinking this guy's burning through ads. For the month of July, like we said, $415,000 in sales. If you look at the ad performance, July 1st to July 31st, we only spent $23,000 in ads. We spent $23,000 in ads. Ad sales were $129,000 out of the $415,000 in sales. So if you calculate that, $23,000 in ad spend, $415,000 in sales, that's about 5% tacos. So there's so much room for growth here. There's so much room for growth. It's disgustingly exciting. And you could just see the week over week how we were doing. You know, we were doing 3,000 a month. Then it started going to 10s and 20s and 30s and 40s and 50s. You know, this is weekly, by the way. You can just see over here, the last week obviously is not finished, but $150,000 this past week. We're not even in Q4 yet. This is weekly, so $150,000. We're not in Q4, and it's just ramping up. It's just ramping up from $2,000 a week to $150,000 a week in only 7 months. Very exciting things to come. If you guys want to learn more about how I did this or how I can help your company do the same, click the link below and let's talk.